We have 330 ewes here at Cefn Cantref, a tenanted council farm, which are all a mixture of Aberfield Cross Welsh and Aberfield Cross Easycare. The Aberfield Cross ewes normally scan at 185% lambing from March the 15th for a month, 80% lamb within the first 2 weeks. We've planted 6.5 acres of fodder beet to use pre-lambing and 8.5 acres of turnips for the ewe lambs. 2 Abermax rams and a Primera ram will go to 150 yearlings. 2 will go to 100 bigger ewes, which we won't keep for replacements. And then this year the Aberfield SR will go to 100 smaller ewes to produce replacements. Rams will be in for a month. The Primera produces good growthy lambs which are easily born and grow like hell. The Abermax gives good conformation lambs with growth to get out early. They are easy lambing and don't have the texel head, which we don't like. We like the Aberfield as it's a good hardy milky ewe that produces 2 lambs. We've bought Aberfield SRs this year as well to hopefully increase the lambing percentage whilst keeping the ewe size down from the Aberfield crossbred ewes. We sell live lambs through Talgath Market. Here are the 2020 Christmas Fat Stock Champions sired by an Abermax and sold to the Welsh Venison Centre. We've diversified and have been selling both full and half lamb boxes through our boxed meat business, Good Evans.